And the one and only Mr. Alden Richard.
Hi!
The one and only.
The one and only, diba?
Hello!
Meron tayong mahiwagang bowl with the questions that you guys have to answer.
Okay.
Kaya naman, guys,
What is the funniest compliment you have ever received?
I have nice feet daw. Sabi niya.
Nice feet.
Nice feet. So apparently there's a scene in the film na parang may shot yung paa namin, and then after that shot, sabi ni Kat sa akin, ganda pala ng paa mo.
Maputi kasi yung paa niya. Let's show it.
yes. Ikaw naman, Ate Kat.
Grabe kasi yung pang-amoy ko.
Okay.
So, kunwari sa isang room, hindi na aamoy sa mga ibang tao, pero madidistinguish ko kung saan galing yung amoy na yun. Whether it's good kind of smell, bad kind of smell. Para akong nagsisniff ako, and then,
Oh my gosh.
alam ko kung saan yung mabango na yun.
Okay, where did you enjoy filming the most? Hong Kong or Canada?
I think yung Canada, especially Calgary, ang dami mong pwede puntahan. And then pag gusto ko naman to shop or yung malapit lang, syempre Hong Kong, very convenient. Pero sana yun, siguro init na init kasi ako, so gusto ko somewhere cold.
Ako din, same with Kath. Gusto ko rin ng malalamig na lugar. So I think I really enjoyed most of our shootings during the Canada leg.
Yes.
What's your favorite Philippine tourist spot? Baguio! Hinihintay niyo yun.
Yeah, matutulog mo ito kung hindi mo yung gagawin.
So Baguio, kasi of course cold weather.
Oo, kasi init ngayon.
So dun talaga. Baguio talaga.
Asa pa, kuya?
Baguio!
Inusap ko.
Tayo chat.
Ako siguro, Boracay, El Nido, since may nga ako sa beach.
Which type of vacation do you prefer? On a beach or on a mountain?
Ako, beach ako.
Beach.
Yes.
Ako, mountains talaga. I usually hike kasi before.
Next. Last question.
Last question.
Ooh.
What's your favorite type of room scent or air freshener scent?
Lavender. Yun nung buhay pa yung mom ko. Yun yung favorite flower niya.
Oh,
Yes. So, parang most of the time, yung scents namin sa bahay really has to do something with lavender.
I want anything na may coconut. Whether it's a hand sanitizer, anything na ilalagay ko. Hand lotion. Gusto ko pati may coconut. I like din citrusy scent, I think. Since feeling ko, especially pag mainit,
Yes.
okay yung mix niya sa sweat.